Good morning. Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a really nice weekend. I can't wait to hear about them this morning. So today is Monday, October 19th, 2020. It is the 33rd day of school, so I've updated our coins, and you have library today for your special. All right, so I thought I'd do something a little different, and I put a riddle up and you can see if you can figure out what the answer to the riddle is. And I'll tell you on our live call this morning what the answer was, so you can see if you were right. So the riddle is, what two things can you never have for breakfast? What two things can you never have for breakfast? What do you think? I'll let you know at 10 what the answer was. All right, so before we go over our schedule, if you would like to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance, we'll do that now. All right. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, perfect. All right, so what is going on for today? First thing coming out this morning, we will be back to the application problem for math. So you'll have the application problem for lesson 25. Sorry about the beep. And then there will also be a wit and wisdom learning video with then a response for you to complete and send back in the activity after you watch the learning video. And there's actually two separate pages on that activity. So one is about telling about my librarian as a camel, and then the other one is sorting common and proper nouns. They're all within the same activity. There's just two separate student response pages. So those will be the two things coming out first thing this morning, the application problem and then the wit and wisdom activity / lesson. Then we will have our 10 a.m. class, and we will do word building for L blends, which, sorry again about the spelling test on Friday. What I was thinking we could do for that is, since there is some overlap between some of the L blends and the S blends, since there are words like slip and sled that technically have both the S and the L, and you did such a great job with them. We'll just kind of move on from last week's spelling test. I didn't take a score or anything for it, obviously, since that was the wrong list. And for this week, we'll just do on the spelling test half 6 of the words from the S blend list, and then half of the words from the L blend list. So since we've covered all of the vowels and the letter sounds, I don't want it to be like extra studying for you, but now that we know all the sounds, it's just kind of a matter of putting the sounds together and being able to write the words. So I hope that works, for everybody. I'm really sorry again. I figured that was kind of the best way to still get to cover the S blends and then still cover the L blends once you've actually had a chance to work on them. So hope that works out. So we'll go with that plan for Thursday for our spelling test. But we will do our word building today. These are the letters that you'll need: A, L, N, P, T, U, M, S. Excuse me. And then if you could bring a blank dictation paper with you along with those letters, that will be great for our 10 a.m. class. Then we will meet again at 1 for math. And if you could just bring your normal math materials like you normally do, your workbooks, and a dry erase marker and sleeve. All right, so please let me know if you have any questions. Oh, there's also an optional Flipgrid, a new question that I sent out about talking about a favorite activity that you do with a friend or family member. So if you want to check that out, if you have a minute today, and feel free to go back and look at previous Flipgrids if you'd like to see what some of your classmates had to say. All right, so I'm ready for another week. I hope you are, and I'll see everybody soon. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.